Hey there, Davers! So yesterday I finally finished all of the legal documents I had to go over, which means today I can focus on the KYC integration, the user experience of it, make sure it works with our site, with MailChimp and everything around that, and also working with our security provider to set up a proxy server, WAF, DDoS protection, all of that good stuff. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome to my daily DAV. Yesterday I had a big talk with Alec about different use cases that we're working on to discuss about the pitch with driver reach out to driver associations and the like. Later today I think we're going to do a group meeting on this as well and share some feedback and do a bit more work about how to help people. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparty here. Yesterday, worked on a good amount of things as it pertains to the KYC. We're planning on launching later this week, so did a good amount of work there. Also worked with our paid partner to make sure that we're aligning everything on that front. Did some work also on some referral marketing programs that we're going to be pushing out later this week, early next week as well. Today, a good amount of time has been going towards the referral program, making sure that that's locked down, creating a new site for that, and then also working on some different partnerships and also some interesting things happening in South Korea as well. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. Today is Passover, so a lot of people in the office are away with their families. Today, me and Andrew had a 2-hour call talking about the Taxi Alliance, our value proposition, and we're just having a brainstorm session. So we'll have some outputs from that. I'm just sending more outbound correspondence to different taxi companies. I got a CV for our social media position. Really good prospect. We'll see how that will go. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.